Hi, this is Wang Rennyu from EastSide Charter School. In this video, my students have learned the new words about colors and the new sentence 我喜欢,我不喜欢 I like, I don't like 你喜欢红色吗 Do you like red color? And after that, I took them to the dance studio. They walk around and point to the objects with the color that I said. After that, they form a circle to ask and answer the question using the target languages and the target sentence pattern.
准备好了吗？准备好了吗？好，请给我找红色。红色在哪里？红色。红色 touch OK 红色好你喜欢紫色吗我喜欢紫色我喜欢紫色
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Sarah Elgammal, and I am an Arabic teacher at Ashford School in Connecticut. This video is actually a lesson that was done by students where they created their own PowerPoint presentations, their own worksheets and games, and have engaged their whole classroom teaching a lesson that I only gave them tips and advice on how to teach it to their classmates.
Barid. Barid means barid is pronounced bear egg.
Barid.
Barid. Okay,
Very good.
let's try saying it. James. Barid.
Very good.
Anthony. Barid.
Hello, this is Chen Xiaoyun from Tonopah Valley High School. Today we are having an outreach activity on campus. Mandarin students will make and cook dumplings for everyone in our school and share the dumpling culture with them.
我们今天包饺子，好玩，我喜欢饺子。
你们在做什么？什么线？你们在做什么？什么线？我们在做什么？
包饺子，
什么线？
白菜。
Hello, my name is Xiaolian Zeng. I'm an exchange teacher from TCLP program. I'm now teaching Mandarin in Beethoven Secondary School in Texas. This is an outreach activity about pets. To help students remember the Chinese words and have more fun learning Mandarin, I created some gestures to show the pets.
Go. Go. 猫兔子鱼仓鼠乌龟 Wow, you did a good job. Thank you.